Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents social media site, Twitter, to generate traffic. The traffic is free, it is targeted, which means it is effective, the kind of traffic that you want, the kind of traffic that you need, and it is traffic that you can tap into right away. If you want more views for your channel or visits for your website, if you need more subscribers or more sales, Twitter can help you. If that is something that will benefit you, stay with me and stay with me for your bonus, which is a way make enough money from home to be able to quit your job in the next 3 to 4 months. Social media sites such as Twitter are one of the major advertising and marketing venues for the effective promotion of your channel, your website, company, products, and/or services. Naturally, an effective Twitter technique is critical to attain your objectives. Did you know that there are over 230 million people using Twitter, with greater than 100 million of them going to Twitter every day? That is a potential venue for advertising and marketing that you cannot afford to overlook. We are going to be looking at how do you effectively reach that market in a way that will produce results. All you need is knowledge of proper Twitter strategy and something called Twitter etiquette. We will be covering specific techniques and pointers that can transform your Twitter account into an effective advertising tool. Some of what we will go over are basics of MLM with Twitter. Identifying the distinction between posting and spamming. Exactly how to be clear on what you are advertising. Strategy for conveying expertise in your Twitter posts. Tips on exactly how to successfully interact with the neighborhood. Effective methods to adhere to others, as well as message-appropriate tweets. The classified ad on Twitter can be used without being feared as being categorized as spam, and with this comes the advantage of being marketed effectively. Whatever you are promoting, be clear on what you are promoting. Getting noticed means that viewers are clear on what they are viewing. Putting up ambiguous posting will not help. Be clear, be specific. Follow one theme. Therefore, the theme should be decided even before the actual posting is started. Understand the desired goal. When the goal is clearly identified, your journey will be so much easier. Besides the posting content, it is also important to provide additional information such as freebies, promotional gimmicks, possible backlinks, and any other content that might be an advantage to the viewer. Your posting should also be clear in the actual visual presentation style so that the viewer will immediately be able to identify with the content. Making things personal will also help to gain the attention of the target audience. Convey professionalism in every aspect of your Twitter strategy. This brings to the area of etiquette. Be polite, be sincere, work towards creating satisfied customers. Make a positive impact. One of the simple secrets that makes Twitter work is to learn how to participate with the community. Using Twitter to enhance presence and positioning within the social platform is one of the reasons it has become a much sought-after tool. Make use of the hashtag symbol followed by the name of abbreviation will allow for the sharing of posts between the viewers of a certain group, and also follow the tweets connected to the same or similar hashtags. For the more experienced Twitter dabblers, using the Twitter chat tool while ensuring the Twitter station is well tuned to filter out all unnecessary and annoying noises is important. Remembering to include the hashtags in one's own tweets is essential so that the comments and question posted can be viewed by others too. Avoid overpromoting. Overpromoting may eventually cause the viewing audience to turn elsewhere for the information they seek. Twitters have a language of their own, and understanding and using it is both necessary and beneficial. Repetitive information will become stale. Follow and use relevant tweets. Using multiple hashtags should be avoided as it will only be categorized as spam. Using Twitter to check what the competitors are doing in terms of new launches, promotions, products, services, and a variety of other progressive exercises is definitely a wise move. Keeping track of the hottest and most relevant topics being discussed or featured by Twitter participants is important in the quest to stay informed of the market sentiments. It can also help point you in the right direction regarding new content. If you like this content, if you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black. Do that right now. Thank you, and consider joining this channel so you will know whenever a new video is published. This brings us to your bonus. Your bonus is our #1 recommendation for making money from home. It is fast-track training that will help you to earn as much as $10,000 or more in the next 90 to 120 days. You will find a link below where it says, "Start here." Click the link and you will be given all the details. If you have not given this video a thumbs up, please do not forget, and allow me to remind you to join the channel. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success. See you in the next video.